Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Karen Rice. I'm going to be painting a very free style watercolour painting of some wildflowers in the countryside with a beautiful sort of pinky landscape. I'm not going to be using a photograph. I'm just going to be having lots of fun. It's like a watercolour doodle. If you'd like to see longer, more informative videos with lots of extra tips and techniques with longer voiceovers, why not think about joining my Patreon channel membership? Details about this will be in the description below. If you have any questions about the membership, please put them in the comments section and I'll try and get back to you as soon as I can. So, shall we get started? I'm using the Core High Chroma watercolour set, and a full list of the colours will be in the description below. The brushes I'm using are a size 14, 10, 4 and 2 black velvet brush, and I'm using Canson Heritage watercolour paper 9x12 with a knot surface. Just to say, all the materials I'm using will be in the description below with colour alternatives. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you would like to see longer, more informative videos with lots more tips and techniques, with a full voiceover where I guide you through every little step, every little stage, giving full explanations about the consistency of the paint, the colour mixing, and so much more, why not think about joining my Patreon membership? Details about this will be in the description below, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. And if you have any questions about this tutorial, please put them in the comment section below and I'll try and get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and you'll get updates of my latest videos. Thank you so much for watching again. Happy painting. Bye for now.